Dinosaurs. The world of dinosaurs. Imagine that you've been sent back in time 230 million years. The world looks very different from the one you know. All the land on Earth is one giant continent. Shallow seas cover parts of the ground. The weather is warm, even near the poles. In the shadow of an enormous plant, you hear a noise. Something large is hiding here. You have arrived in the town of the dinosaurs. You are probably familiar 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 with dinosaurs from books and movies. These animals were just one part of an entire ancient world. The age of dinosaurs lasted for about 180 million years. Earth changed a lot during that time. The continents split apart, and the first flowering plants grew. Some kinds of dinosaur died out and new ones appeared, like today's world. The world of the dinosaurs was a changing place. Meet the dinosaurs. Dinosaurs were a kind of reptile that is now extinct. Dinosaurs stood up off the ground while other reptiles crawled. They had large eyes and could probably see color. Many scientists think that dinosaurs were faster and more active than other reptiles. With the help of these traits, dinosaurs spread across Earth. At least 1,000 species of dinosaurs have been discovered and named. The scientists think far more lived on Earth. Dinosaurs could be as small as a chicken or as large as a school bus. Some grew as long as 39 meters, 128 feet. Everything we know about dinosaurs and their world comes from fossils. Fossils. A fossil is the remains of print of a plant or animal that was preserved in soil or rock. Scientists have found parts of preserved dinosaur skeletons. They have found only a few whole dinosaur skeletons. Most of the dinosaur skeletons in museums were put together from parts of many different skeletons. Scientists have also found fossil dinosaur footprints, eggs, and even the contents of dinosaur stomachs. All these things help scientists learn how dinosaurs lived, ate, and died. A few kinds of dinosaurs. Different kinds of dinosaurs lived in different places and at different times. A Tyrannosaurus could never have attacked an Apatosaurus. They lived more than 50 million years apart. Scientists named dinosaurs based on what they looked like and what they ate. Because of this, similar dinosaurs are sorted into larger groups. Theropods. This group of dinosaurs is made up of the starry meat-eaters we see so often in movies. One of the largest theropods, Tyrannosaurus saurus, was up to 6 meters, 20 feet tall. Another type of theropod was only about the size of a human, second greater, but ran as fast as a horse. Theropods ran one, two legs, and they had big, heavy head and jaws. A Tyrannosaurus tooth could be as long as a dinner plate. Most dinosaurs in this group had giant hooked claws on their feet to catch and kill their food. They were fierce, and fossil skulls show that they also had large brains, which means they were smart. Scientists think they may have lived in family groups and generally cared for their young. Sauropods. This next group of dinosaurs included perhaps the largest creatures that ever walked on land. Sauropods had large, heavy bodies, had legs like tree trunks, and long, slim necks and tails. One type of sauropods may have been as tall as a five-story building. If another type stood on a baseball field, it could stretch home plate to second base from head to tail. Most meat eaters wouldn't attack a group of these giants. Scientists think that some sauropods may have used their tails as daily whips. For these dinosaurs, getting enough food was a much bigger problem than staying safe from predators. Ceratopsians. These members of this next group of plant eaters were smaller than sauropods. Ceratopsians were usually about 3 to 9 meters, 10 to 30 feet long. They went up for their size with large fan-shaped crests that protected their heads and necks. The crest could have as many as 15 horns. Many ceratopsians also had horns on their nose and above their eyes. They had long, parrot-like beaks that could snap tree trunks. The death of dinosaurs. In time, dinosaurs disappeared from Earth together. What happened? Scientists still don't know for sure. Many think that the crash of an enormous meteorite into Earth was at least partly to blame. The meteorite sent dust and fire into the air. The sun was blacked out for months. The air became older. Plants died. Rainwater turned muddy and undrinkable. Both plant eaters and meat eaters could have died and sickness and from not having enough food and water. Whatever killed, the dinosaurs also killed hundreds of other kinds of plants and animals. However, one small group of dinosaurs may have survived. When scientists look at the bones of, of birds and dinosaurs, they see many things in common. Today, many scientists agree that certain types of dinosaurs later became birds.